Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Firda Fajri Hermawan. You can call me Firda. I am from 9C. Alright, in this opportunity, I will show how to make Oreo ice cream. First, we have Oreo cookies, a cup of milk, a bowl of vanilla ice cream, a bowl of evaporated chocolate milk, and grated cheese. And for the tools, we have cutting board, spoon, a glass, a bowl, and a blender. For the step, first we separated Oreo cookies. Okay, now we have two bowls of Oreo cookies. First without cream and with cream. Then crush the Oreo without cream. You can use spoon. Okay, then put a bowl of vanilla ice cream to the blender. And then add a cup of vanilla milk. And some slice of Oreo cookies with cream. If you want to make it more tasty, put a tablespoon of evaporated chocolate milk to the glass. After that, pour the Oreo Smothie to the glass. The last, give the crushed of Oreo and some grated cheese. Finally, Oreo Smoothie is ready. I'm Firda Fajri Hermawan. Thank you for watching my video. And have a nice day. See you. Finally, Oreo Smoothie is ready.
Enak gitu. Iya. Kunyit enak.
Thank you for watching my video. And have a nice day. See you.